Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make our bird feeder Take It, Make It craft kit, which can also be used as a squirrel feeder. At my house, when I put them up, I never saw a bird actually use the bird feeder. It was always squirrels. In your bag, you're going to find a tube with a craft stick in it, a tub with Crisco, a bag of birdseed, a craft stick, and a piece of yarn. Disclaimer, the birdseed that was used either contains peanuts or was manufactured in a facility that also processes peanuts or other tree nuts. So please be cautious. You're going to start with the tube that has a craft stick in it. And the craft stick can be moved if you want one side of the bird perch to be longer than the other, or it can be centered, whatever way you want it to be. If your tube has come apart because the tape has popped loose, please go ahead and re-tape that to hold it a little steady for you. And the first step is taking that tube and putting the yarn through the holes on the top. You're just going to string it through both sides, if you can. There we go. And then tie it in a knot. Now the yarn is really long. You might not need it to be this long. When I made them at my house, I didn't need quite this much yarn. And if you find that it's too long, you can always shorten it by tying another knot in it. After you have the yarn ready, I recommend you use a plate or something like the bag would work too. You could make it right on the bag. And you're going to open up your Crisco and use the craft stick to spread some of the Crisco all over the outside of this tube. There we go. And it can be kind of thick if you want, or it doesn't have to be super thick. And if you're careful and don't use all of the Crisco, you will have enough left to do this again once the birds or squirrels eat all the bird seed off of it. There we go. Now you're going to take the bird seed and you can just sprinkle it on there. This is why you need to use a plate, because the bird seed kind of goes everywhere. You could also take it and roll it in the bird seed if that works out better for you. Whatever way works for you is the way to do it. And then you're going to want to save the birdseed that's left over, because once the birdseed is gone, you'll be able to fill it back up with more birdseed. Then you can take it outside and hang it up for birds and squirrels to enjoy. We have lots more Take It, Make It crafts and other virtual programs this fall, so be sure to watch Madel's Facebook page and our YouTube channel for information about more programming.